In the world of modern outdoor decoration, the wooden outdoor chair holds a special place, not only as a functional element of seating, but as a symbol of warmth, style, and the timeless appeal of natural materials. Amid concrete patios, stone pathways, and modern metal structures, wood brings an organic balance. A wooden chair placed in a garden, balcony, or backyard invites not just comfort, but a sense of roundedness. It connects us to nature, heritage, and craftsmanship in a way few other materials can. As outdoor spaces become more integral to how people live, entertain, and relax, the wooden outdoor chair emerges not merely as a piece of furniture, but as an anchor for modern outdoor aesthetics. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden outdoor chair design ideas for modern decor preference. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. What makes the wooden chair particularly impactful is its versatility. It has the unique ability to seamlessly adapt to various styles, be it rustic, minimalist, Scandinavian, bohemian, or contemporary. In modern outdoor design, where personalization and cohesion are key, this adaptability becomes a major strength. A set of teak chairs with clean lines can complement a modernist patio, while a slatted cedar armchair with a distressed finish may lend charm to a cozy, farmhouse-inspired garden. Regardless of the style, the natural grain, texture, and color of wood introduce an element of authenticity that synthetic materials often lack. Designers and homeowners alike recognize that outdoor living is no longer just about function. It's about creating environments that reflect personal style and extend the home's character into the open air. Wooden chairs play a pivotal role in shaping that identity. With thoughtful design, they can become focal points, either standing alone as statement pieces or grouped as part of a larger composition with tables, planters, and textiles. Their lines and proportions can mirror architectural elements of the home, creating harmony between indoors and out. In this sense, the wooden outdoor chair becomes a bridge, tying together structural and natural elements in a cohesive visual language. Sustainability is another factor contributing to the wooden outdoor chair's growing popularity in modern outdoor decoration. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, the demand for renewable, biodegradable, and ethically sourced materials has risen. Wood, when responsibly harvested, ticks these boxes in a way that synthetic alternatives cannot. Furthermore, wooden chairs can be built to last. With proper care and finishing, they can withstand the elements for years, aging gracefully with a weathered patina that enhances their character. This longevity not only reduces waste, but also reinforces the values of quality over quantity and investment over disposability, ideals at the heart of modern, sustainable design. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In urban settings where space is limited, the wooden chair offers compact yet impactful decor. A single well-crafted lounge chair on a small balcony can elevate the entire space, turning it into a personal oasis. Paired with soft cushions, throws, or surrounding planters, it becomes an invitation to slow down, to sit with a book, or to watch the sky. These small moments of beauty and function are what define modern outdoor decoration, not grandeur, but intentionality. Wooden chairs support that mindset perfectly, blending ease with elegance in even the most modest outdoor settings. The emotional resonance of wood also plays a subtle but important role. There's a reason why so many people are drawn to wooden rocking chairs on porches or Adirondack chairs beside lakes. These iconic forms evoke feelings of nostalgia, serenity, and connection. In a modern context, designers reimagine these classic silhouettes with updated lines and finishes while retaining their emotional impact. A mid-century inspired outdoor lounge chair crafted from walnut or acacia can simultaneously nod to tradition and feel completely current. This blending of past and present deepens the decorative narrative, allowing outdoor spaces to feel both fresh and familiar. For those who enjoy do-it-yourself projects or personalized home improvements, wooden chairs also offer a canvas for creativity. A simple wooden chair can be painted, stained, or embellished to suit changing tastes or seasons. It can be restored, repurposed, or reimagined entirely. This flexibility means that wooden chairs are not static items, but evolving parts of a home story. They can be refreshed with new finishes or paired with changing outdoor decor over the years, making them a practical and enduring design choice. In hospitality and commercial settings, such as cafes, resorts, and event spaces, wooden outdoor chairs also contribute to ambience in meaningful ways. They project a sense of craftsmanship and care that resonates with guests. People notice the difference between mass-produced furniture and thoughtfully selected or handmade wooden pieces. That perception of quality and attention to detail enhances the overall experience and aligns with branding that values authenticity and atmosphere. For business owners, the aesthetic and emotional impact of wooden outdoor seating can translate into customer satisfaction, repeat visits, and even social media appeal. Yet perhaps the most profound impact of wooden outdoor chairs in modern decoration is their ability to humanize space. In environments increasingly dominated by technology and artificial materials, wood reintroduces a human touch. It reminds us of the forest, of the artisan's hand, of the tree that once stood and now offers comfort in a new form. The simple act of sitting on a wooden chair, feeling its warmth under the sun, listening to the wind through nearby leaves, becomes a meditation, a quiet pause in the rush of life. In conclusion, the wooden outdoor chair is far more than a seat. It is an essential component of modern outdoor design that offers visual warmth, functional comfort, emotional resonance, and ecological integrity. It anchors spaces in nature, softens the edges of contemporary architecture, and invites us to slow down and be present. Whether custom-made, inherited, or bought with intention, these chairs carry stories of design, of use, of the people who sit in them and the moments they hold. As outdoor living continues to evolve, the wooden chair remains a timeless and powerful presence, a symbol of how the simple things, when made well and chosen thoughtfully, can have the deepest impact. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden outdoor chair design ideas for modern decor preference. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.